Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing really good and your preparations are also going good. So guys, this is a big news for you. KSJ Teaching for the very first time is coming up with the biggest carnival on this Republic Day for you people. As you show your patriotism towards your country, it's high time that you show your dedication towards your preparation. The date sheets for the May 2022 attempt are out and the time is not much left. So you have to kickstart your preparations now and put your preparations in the top gear. क्योंकि अब टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's almost 3 months left for the May 2022 attempt. तो सर फटाफट से मैं ब्रीफ करता हूं अबाउट द कार्निवल. You just have to download our Android app or the iOS app. Now our app is available on both the platforms. The links are given in the video description. How to download it, everything is given in the video description. You have to download our app. On the app, go to the store section and you will find that all our courses are discounted and up to 30% off on the courses. Right? I'll tell you about the courses which are available. Before that, if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications on time. I'll give you quickly the brief of the courses that are available. One is the Costing Fast Track Batch. Costing Fast Track Batch, where you will cover all the concepts in detail. You will have the in-depth coverage of the concepts along with the practical problems, along with the hard copy of the handbooks, right? So second course is the second type of course, category of courses, ICAI series, in which we are covering the ICAI SM is there. Then we have the all-rounder course that we started, that is going on. So all these courses are really useful for your preparation for the May 2022. And as the time is less, you people do not waste even a minute, in thinking, in planning. So everything should be planned by now and the time is for execution. That is very important. The time is for execution. So quickly go download our apps and join some of the best courses at the most affordable prices. There is one very special course that we have launched, that is Karlo Costing Mutti Mein, in which we are going to cover all the concepts. We have covered all the concepts. That is a Costing Fast Track Batch, plus the all-rounder course in which we are going to cover approximately 450 plus questions with the special tips and tricks on how to attempt a question, how the ICAI can twist a question in the examination, and the areas where you people can commit mistakes. So everything in detail is covered in the all-rounder course, which is going to give you a very good practice of the questions. So this is the time to do it. This is the time for the execution. This is the time for your dedication. That is the most important thing, because if you are not dedicated towards your preparation, then somewhere you will lack it. Okay, so guys, do not waste even a single minute. Quickly go to our apps, download the Android app or the iOS app, and one more thing, you will get the best of query support with all the courses, whether you are going for the fast track course, whether you are going for this ICAI series, or whether you are going for the Karlo Costing Mutti Mein course. In that course, you are going to get the books also, right? So you are going to get the best of query support, and that is very important for your exam preparation. All your doubts will be cleared. That is my promise to all of you, right? So guys, give a special boost to your preparation. Now is the time for the execution. Do not wait for the last moment. Okay, so all the best guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.